And good morning, everyone. So welcome. Today, September 4th, 2020. Welcome to the lesson today. Unmute your mic. Good morning, Javid. Good morning, Susan. Good morning, Jaheem, Renee.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning. All right, today we're gonna do something exciting Today we're gonna do a quick recap what was said last week. And I really want you guys to tell me if you're seeing my screen whenever I'm sharing my computer screen. So if I ask you guys if you're seeing my current screen, whenever I'm switching screens, I want you guys to work with me on this one, okay? For your own benefit. I don't want anybody to log behind. It's 11:03 now. Normally I would start like 5 minutes after 11, but I love time, and it's 11 o'clock, class starts, so persons who are going to come in late, they're actually going to miss the trade. So they missed the trade who is not here already, okay? So I'm about to share my screen. First thing we're going to touch on today, I really want to touch on this real quick so you guys can get it. But we're going to touch base on the chart. But I want to touch base on what happened last week in terms of the Forex Hours. You guys see my screen that says Forex Hours? Tell me. Put this over here.
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah.
So basically what happened at this point in time is this right here. Just moving that out of the way. Is that this is known as Forex Hours. And this is important because you guys need to know the time zone that you guys are trading within, okay? So you can go to, this is just a recap, I went through this last week, but you can actually go to www.forexmarkethours.com, right? And when you go on here, you're gonna see the different hours. Very important, okay? So I'm gonna put this right over here, somewhere here. Trying to move this out of the way. Right here. All right, so also I want you guys to look at is right over here to your right hand corner. You will see Forex Strategy, Forex Hours. What I want you guys to do is to click on GMT Hours, and that will help you to see the time zone that you're in and which region, okay? Very important. So you can see here, in Americas, you will see the time here, okay? Also went through the different sessions that are there for you guys to trade within. So you have the New York, you got London, Frankfurt, you got Tokyo, you got Sydney, okay? Whichever session that you want to trade on, that's fine. And also, we looked at the different currency pairs that you can actually trade within these sessions, different sessions. All right. So if you guys check your messages, I would have sent you a screenshot of one that I did for everybody so you can look within different sessions. Very important. So here is the free Forex lesson for last week as a recap. Now, we also going to touch on, I'm going to switch my screen again. Tell me if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen here? Are you guys able to see the factory, Forex Factory?
Yeah, I can see it.
You can see it? You can see it? Okay, good stuff.
I can see the chart there.
Right, so what this is, right, I want you guys to think about Forex Factory. The reason why we use this, guys, is to help you to follow what's happening in the market. Very important to note. All right, and I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. Now, let's put it somewhere here. Now, here on Forex Factory, so you can go www.forexfactory.com, and the reason for this is that it's giving you an insight of what the market is doing before you can place a trade. It's good to be informed before you place a trade in Forex, okay? So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you something. So up top here, you will see these different options here, and you can go into it. So for example, you want to go with a broker. You want to know which broker to use, for example. So you click on brokers right here, and it will show you the different brokers on the markets that you can choose from, right? Very important. And if you look right there carefully, you see in the corner right here, it tell you all Forex broker that are non-US, okay? So as you scroll, you will see the different names of brokers that are non-US, okay? So you have quite a bit of them, right? So you can choose from one of them, and it's quite a bit, I can tell you, okay? So here they are. These are all brokers, okay? Also that are non-US. So you see this little icon right here, and you click it. Oh, hold on a second, I need to plug in my laptop. Give me a second. All right, cools. All right, cools. So let's continue. So these are different brokers there. You can actually click on it. You can change here. When you click on it, it will change. You can see all Forex brokers if you want, and you can choose whichever head office or headquarters that is Cyprus, Australia, UK, United States. Okay, same thing. So you can change here, and it will change the broker listing, right? You just click apply settings right here, and that will change that. All right. So something for you guys to look into, and go on the website and just look at it as well, because you learn in the market. Okay. Same thing. So here in the market, you have the market. So you can click on the market. Let's see what happens when it does that. So when I click on market, you're going to give you the different markets that there is, and something specific I want you guys to look for. Let it comes up. Okay, so you will see this in the market. You can change up the market structure in terms of the type of currency pair that you want to look at. For example, suppose you want to look at a particularly currency pair. What you can do, I'm going to put this over here. Yeah, let us stay over here for a minute. Right here. All right, so here is a chart, and you go into the market, but you want to find out what currency pair you want to look at. You know, so what you can do is go right here, this icon right here, left hand corner, you click it, and you can choose whichever currency you want to look at. So if you want to look at, for example, CHF versus Japanese yen, there are lists there. So you can just put the abbreviation, and it will populate the different currency pair that you want to look at. See what I'm saying? So that is up to you guys, if you want to, whichever currency pair you want to look at, okay? And you can look at everything that trades on the market. And that will help you, for example, over here, what is happening in the market itself. You can zoom in, zoom out. When you guys learn to start to trade, you can actually see how the market moving and so on. Here, basically just setting up the settings here. You can actually change the background here inside here as well. All these are cool stuff. So if I want to change this background here and go on all of that, you can. So for example, I want to change it to, so for example, green, the candles, and I want to change the backgrounds to, say, black, for example, you can. One thing, you have to apply the settings and you see everything here change, right? So you guys can look into that if you want to do all of that good stuff, right? That's up to you. You will see the different bids and ask price and so on. You can go through all that as well, as you can apply whatever that you want on the chart. So this here is just for you to see what's happening in the market. You can set it up and different currency pair that you want to track and monitor before you actually do your trade on your MT4. All right, calendar here. We did touch base on calendar last week. And basically you look to your left right here, you will see the date, okay? So you scroll, you'll see the different dates. So September 2nd and 3rd and today, the 4th. The reason why I'm telling you this is because persons last week, I did tell you what the different currency folders mean. So for example, you see yellow, that means stay out, stay out. Red is like a no, right? You don't want to be doing anything in the red folders, right? Orange is good, all right? So you go over here and you get the details about the particular folder. So it's open details. If you hover over it, you see open details, and you guys can go in there and you can see what the source are saying, the description, what they're saying about the markets here. You get everything there, all right? So we touched on that last week. I'm just doing a recap. News is there as well. So for example, if you want to know what's going to happen in the markets or is happening in the market right now, this is a good place. If there's changes in laws and so on, it's good for you guys to know this. So anything that's happening in the market as it relates to that, they normally upload here and give you guys what's up. So if any laws are about certain states or anything like that regarding the financial markets, it's good to know, okay? You get all information here. Not all, but you get most important information here. Trades. Let's click on trades. Let me show you. So here, you guys have not learned this term yet, but you want to learn it, okay? Now, you may want to write this down. The term, you're going to hear it in Forex. It says long. When somebody says long, that means bullish. When they say short, it means bearish, meaning the market is going down. So if you look over here, you'll see it says close long, open short, and so on. So what I'm saying? So you'll see it, Euro versus USD was a long one. Close long, short. So you can see this. So if you click on it, you will see what I'm talking about. So if you, let's click on short, for example, or long. Let's click on the first one, Great British Pound versus US long. Let's see what happens. So here it is, we'll tell you, give you all the details right here. It's gonna generate it. Look, and tell you all the trades, all of them. Buy and sell. Here it is. So you guys can go through this your own time. All this is here. But this is for like persons that are actually trading already. But I want to show you that these things does exist. So when you're looking at the website, you know what it's all about, okay? All right, so we're gonna jump off of this. So we touch base on Forex Hours, and we touch base on Forex Factory. Now I want to touch base on, because time is moving so fast. Want to move on next, your broker. So for example, for persons that are part of my team and so on, you guys are going good. You want to know how to actually bring the MT4 on your system so we can start to trade. By now, everybody should be able to have a demo account or apply for a real account. Okay, so let's go on LQDFX back office here. So if you guys look here, this is your balance in your account, which is mine. And currently you can actually withdraw the money from here. And you can internal transfer it. That means you can move it from your account and actually ready for trade. What I want you guys to do is to scroll down, go to quick menu. and I want you to look for this option that says downloads. The reason for that is I need you guys to log in with your laptop. When you log in with your laptop, I want you to go to the option that says downloads. Click on downloads, and if you have Windows PC or laptop, I want you to click downloads. This will allow you to actually get your broker account, MT4 account on your laptop. Okay. And pretty much that's it. So log in from your computer. Okay. Very important. You guys would have known that you need to go to quick menu. In the meantime, and to actually go to upload documents and finish uploading your documents so you can get your live account going. In the meantime, we'll be using the demo account. Okay, very important. All right. As well, if persons have their accounts already and it's been approved, what you want to do is go to deposit. So when you click on deposit, you can use whichever option that is here. So you can fund your account with Bitcoin, or if you live in the US, you may want to use this, VLOADS. Here in Jamaica, you can use a MasterCard or Visa card. Okay, so you just click on it and it will tell you how much. So here, it's not in Jamaican, it's actually in US. Okay, so for example, if you had 100,000 Jamaican on your card, but you just want to put 200 US in your trading account, you wouldn't put 100,000 Jamaican, you would put 200 US. And then you will do the deposit, right? And it will take the equivalent from your card. So very important right there for you guys to know that. Right, so once you come into your account, then you will go back to quick menu and go to here called internal transfer. When you click on internal transfer, I can move this $388 US in this account right now and put it over here in my brokerage account. So I put it here and put it in my trading account. So I click trade account and I can select which account if I want to add more money to it or not. And then I can fund it out and transfer it. And this will allow you to trade with that amount of money. And you can select any amount. Suppose I want to trade $100 out of this, I can. So it just tell you the amount that you want. Very important stuff. That you guys know this. So if you don't reach that level yet, you want to trade off some of your money, it's fine. It's fine, right? You guys can actually look into all of that good stuff. All right. Yeah. So when you're part of the brokerage here as well, and you have your broker account going, you can actually go to your profile, and you can actually use your information here. You see it? That's the information right here. Okay. All right. So good stuff. All right. So let's roll. So this is what I want to touch base on today. So after you get your brokerage account done, what we're going to look at next is your MT4. So I'm going to stop share for a minute. I'm going to bring back this up. So this is your MT4. I'm going to stop share. And I'm going to share again. So this is your MT4, which is mine. So I'll show you guys how you can set up yours as well. And exactly what we're looking at right now. So let me put this away. Here are your different currency pairs that you want to trade on the MT4. I'll show you how to set it up. We're using a moving average of 50. We're using a moving average of 13 and 8. We're going to go through this. We're going to go through the different timelines on the chart. We're going to go through a 4-hour time frame, what that does, what's the purpose of it. In some of my other lessons, then you will have seen this lesson already. But this is a 4-hour time frame where we indicate and we'll see where the market is going. We use a 1-hour chart to see the analysis. So we can do our charts, our markups, and so on. We can. And we do entry on a 15 or 5 minute right here. And you can go in for laser entry at 1 minute. I'll teach you guys how you can go in and what we're looking for. Okay. So pretty much that's it. So I need you guys to reach this level of downloading your MT4 on your computer. Okay. And then I want to do price channel and price terminologies. You can select a currency pair for your next class, which is tomorrow. So you guys will be busy after we finish this class to actually go ahead and get your MT4 going on your computer. All right. Any questions? Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can still see screen.
Right. What screen are you seeing? Are you seeing an MT4 screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing the MT4. It's a chart.
Right.
GBP versus USD.
Yeah, that's Great British Pound versus US dollar.
Yes, Kevin.
Yes.
I heard you made 3 points, right? You said the indicators show you where the chart, the market is going, and you made 2 other points. I missed them. I would like.
What are you saying, second?
I say you made 3 points just a while ago, right? You said the indicators, right, them show you where the chart is going, and you made 2 other points. However, I did not get those points.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm showing you what is to come. What I'm trying to show you is that these are all called moving averages, right? Or EMAs. And what I'm saying is to you, how I trade is by using these moving average and indicators, right? Okay. So I want you guys to really go to your broker account, and I want you guys to go there and download. So I want you guys to go to your brokerages account that you have with LQDFX. I'm gonna stop share, and I'm gonna go again and share. Here, I want you guys to go here and upload your documents, finish doing that. And in the meantime, just download on your system. Go to download, sign in with your computer, go to downloads and download the MT4 for Windows. If you have an Apple, that's fine. That's what I'm saying. Got it? Everybody get it? So we're gonna move a little bit more faster with the team. Everybody got it? Work with me here, guys. Tell me that you understand. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I understand. I got to try and download it right now.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's what we're talking about. Corporations. I'm talking to humans. So here we're looking at the different options here as well. We went through all of that already. All right. We got like maybe about 4 minutes left on the call. But so that in itself, what I want to touch base with you guys with today. Get this out of the way. Get your documentations going. Upload your documentations. Get it out of the way. The next thing is that we want to look at your skill set. So for persons here on the call, I need to know what you're good at. In order for me to help you to find the lesson that really connects with you, I need to know what you're good at. Where would you say you're good at? And this is where I'm going to use this little bit of the lesson right now to actually bond with you guys some more. Shannon, what are you good at? Somebody says, I'm here. Carl is good at talking. Carl, what's up? It's good to see you. What you guys are good at? Renee, what you good at? Somebody says, I'm here. Who's this person says, I'm here?
What do you mean Carl is good at talking, brethren?
Of course, that's some, you see what I'm talking about? Carl, you're good at explaining things. You're good at talking.
Yeah, I'm good at talking. I'm really, as I told you before, I'm teaching myself about the whole thing again.
That's what I'm saying. You see that?
Yeah, so it's not a matter of talking, it's a matter of getting better.
That's what I'm saying.
Slowly but surely.
So Carl is a salesperson. Carl been in sales for a while, for the longest while. So
Retire
Carl
hurt.
talking way into business. I'm telling you. Big boss, I'm telling you. And that's a good thing that you can talk your way into things. If you guys gonna do any great stuff right now, you need to know how to talk to people. Just talk, you know? And I respect that with Carl. Latoya, what are you good at? Oh yeah? You're being shy, yeah? Saying that your mic can't work? It's all right. I'm here. Who's this person says I'm here? I don't have that name. Who's that name? Ask the person on the mic.
Price is in name.
Pardon? Say it again?
Price. P-R-Y-C. Price.
What price?
Julian.
Julian. Hey, Julian.
Yeah. I'm here, Kevin. I'm good at fixing stuff, you know, like you say your computer broken and not working so good. Yeah, I can fix that. That's what I'm good at. Talk sales, that's not what I'm good at, but I have an interest in that.
So you're an engineer, basically. You're good with your hands. That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Jada, what are you good at, Jada?
Hello, I am good at cooking.
You're cooking. Okay.
Yeah, chef. Aha.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Shana, you're not going to tell us what you're good at? Susan, what are you good at? Susan, what are you good at?
Oh, well, I am good at teaching stuff, and
I didn't hear that. Go again, please.
I said I'm a very good teacher, and like my friend just now, a pretty good cook.
A pretty good cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, Susan, I know that you're a teacher. That's good. Renee, what are you good at? Javid, I know that you're an artist now, Javid. So you love to sing.
Me? Who told you that?
Well, no, Javid, you're a chef. I was talking about not Javid, man. Jahim. Jahim.
Oh.
Right. So Javid, I know that you're a chef. So big chef from UTech, right?
Not from UTech, but I'm there. Actually from Heart.
Right. So you're currently at University of Technology now, right?
Yes, I'm studying business so I can know how to talk with people.
But it does come to you naturally though. And this is what I'm saying to you guys. You guys gonna need to build a relationship with each other as you guys go along. Because as you may think, every one of you right here, right now, as time goes by, you're gonna connect with each other, right? And some of you guys will catch faster than some won't, right? And it's your responsibility to help your teammates out. So you wanna make more money, whatever she catch, he catch, he miss, she miss. If somebody asks you, you know, yeah, I remember that part. Yeah, I remember that part. So I'm saying, so you guys can actually work as a team, and that is very important. Very important. In trading. Renee, what's up?
Okay. Ready for me now?
Yes, everybody's ready for you.
Okay. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'd like to say that I'm a good talker. I guess people around me would say that as well. But personally, I'm on the journey trying to figure out what I'm good at.
Okay. And you currently, you're in the BPO sector, right?
Yeah, I'm branching off into doing my own thing. So I'm starting a hair care business.
That's lovely. So your passion is hair care.
My passion is anything that I'm into at the moment. So right now it's doing a hair care business. It's also learning about Forex. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for your words. I really appreciate it. Jahim, music is yours, right? Jahim?
Yes, most definitely.
Most
Songwriting and
definitely.
musician.
Songwriter. Awesome. And congratulations on that. That's an awesome talent. Shannon, Carl, I know about Carl, business person, been in a lot of business, entrepreneur as well. Shannon, can't hear you now.
My Zoom is actually frozen.
Let me see what she's saying to me right now. Okay. All right. So guys, what I'm good at talking. I'm good at business. I'm good at actually teaching people. I'm good at absorbing information. That's me. You know, those are some key things that I'm good at. Absorbing information. I'm good at teaching people. I'm good at actually explaining things in depth. Um, basically, and I'm good at what I do. Dedicated, hardworking, driven, motivated. Yeah, these are some of the things that I'm good at. Some of things I'm good at. But I want you guys to thank you so much for joining in today. I know that it's been a journey, right? And you guys need to know this. It's a journey. So just take the time to really take the time to absorb the information and actually work towards what you're working towards. So I'm saying it's not going to be easy, but if you apply yourself, you should be fine. So we're on tomorrow for 11 a.m. Tomorrow, we're going to look at the MT4. So by now and tomorrow, everybody should have their MT4 downloaded. And then we're going to look at MT4 and Trading View tomorrow. And then within that same breath, we're going to be touching base based on a few things. We're going to touch base on currency pair, price, and price channel, right? And Sunday, we should be around market structure around that time. Market structure around that time for Sunday. And within market structure, we should be touching base on market structure and support and resistance, somewhere there Sunday, thereabout. And then we can have the rest of the week to actually do some nice charts, and we could go through the different aspects of that. And then that would help you to go on over into risk management and how to apply all these knowledge there, basically, to really get you going. I think those are what you really need right now to get you going, to start trading right now. So that being said, guys, you know what I mean, you have an idea of what to come and what we're trying to do, so the team understands. So in that same aspect of everything, I want to say thank you guys for joining in. Get the MT4 on your computer, sign in, download it. Tomorrow we're going to set it up as a demonstration and show you guys how you can set up the stuff. And we should be going on further. So thank you so much for joining for the lesson to this morning. I hope this was insightful and you guys get to meet each other, have a little chit chat. Now I know what you guys are good at. And this is kind of a bit of bond between the teacher and their students. So that is pretty good. All right, so thank you guys again. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Please do your homework. All right, guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a great
Thanks,
day.
Alex.
No problem, sir.
Bye.
All right, have a good one.
All right, thanks again.
No problem.
Quite
Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.
All right, bye.